Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel and please smash that subscribe button. Thank you to all my patrons. Consider to be my patron and help me out with this awesome channel so I can stay independent. I'm driving in my Chevy Volt, which has now 62,168 miles. By the end of this video it will be more because I'm driving it to the next town. And I own it for 3 years and 4 months. Bought it in January of 2016. And I have to tell you, I'm making this video because one of my viewers made a comment that triggers my mind about his experience with the Chevy Volt, which he is trading for the Tesla Model 3. Great idea. And he talks about the reliability of his Chevy Volt. He had issues and all that. And I have to tell you that owning this car for over 3 years now and 62,169 miles now, I have to tell you that I did not experience one single issue of reliability with this car whatsoever. And to me, reliability is a couple things. Number one is, does the car start in the morning? That's the most reliable test that you can ask. Winter, summer, any weather. I mean, this car went through 3 winters and, bitter cold, hot summers. I never experienced something pressing the button and the car did not start. Never. The car always started. The car always performed. There were some recalls on this car, like GM recalls. I don't even know what they were. I take the car for like service and say, oh, by the way, we did recall such and so, and whatever, I don't care. One time I had to fix the blinker light, but that's I don't call it something that it's not reliable. It can happen, burn light bulb, that happens all the time. It's no big deal. The battery is at full capacity. I charge it every day. I get 35 miles in the winter. I get about 60, sometimes even 70 miles in the summer. So whatever GM said that this car is, it actually is. So average 50 miles per charge, average 350 miles charging gasoline if you just go one way. I put gas in this car maybe 2-3 times a year because my commute is very short. So I rarely visit the gas station. I do take it to 7,500 miles, oil changes and maintenance and whatever. This car has been absolutely and totally and completely reliable. Never gave me any problems. I drove it to Florida twice or 3 times, I don't even remember, probably twice. I drove it to Quebec City. I drove it to Maryland many times. Performed spectacularly. I'm telling you that this car is what GM said that it is, and that's great. That's not never underestimate that statement. The car is what GM said it is, meaning performance, miles per gallon, everything. I get probably on gasoline by itself, I get probably 45 miles per gallon. My lifetime miles per gallon is 120 miles. So it's been a fantastic car. I love hatchbacks, you know that. If you watch my videos, you know that I love hatchbacks. So it's a very utilitarian car. I put so much schmutz in this car. I hold so many things. I have roof rails that fit this car. I put my Thule cargo box on the top. This car is a beast. It's a torque monster. But most importantly, is absolutely reliable. Never had an issue. Never got stuck on a highway. Never got stuck in the snow. I put snow tires. Performs great. Nothing. A nothing burger to maintain, and nothing very cheap. And I'm extremely methodical. I overdo stuff. So I know I take care of my cars like I take care of my children. It's very important, really important that it's something that serves you. You have to take care of it. Had zero issues. My older son, he can't wait to get it. I'm going to hand this car to him when he's ready. And that's it, really. I could summarize this video by one word: reliable. It's a really reliable car. If you are a Chevy Volt owner, last 2-3 years, even first generation, why don't you share your experience with the Chevy Volt? How do you like it? Is it reliable? Especially the reliability. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, guys. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Become a Patreon. Help me out with this channel. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.